Hello everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're reviewing the Dream N20 Steam Carpet Cleaner Machine, a powerful portable upholstery and carpet cleaner designed for deep cleaning homes, pet messes, rugs, couches, and car interiors. If you want a modern cleaner that combines steam, hot water washing, strong suction, and self-cleaning convenience, the N20 is built to handle it. One of the best features of the Dream N20 is the steam and hot water wash system. Steam helps loosen dirt, refresh surfaces, and improve cleaning performance, while hot water assists with stain breakdown on carpets and upholstery. This combination can be more effective than standard cold water spot cleaners, especially for sticky spills, trapped in dirt, and odor-causing messes. The machine also delivers 17 kPa powerful suction, which is important for extracting dirty water and moisture after washing. Strong suction means cleaner fabric and faster drying times. Whether you're cleaning rugs, stairs, mattresses, couches, or fabric car seats, solid extraction performance helps leave surfaces fresher and less damp. Another premium feature is the self-cleaning function. After cleaning, many machines leave residue inside the hose or tool attachments. The self-cleaning system helps flush internal pathways, making maintenance easier and helping keep the machine ready for next use. This is especially useful for frequent users or pet owners. The AutoMix solution system adds convenience by automatically blending water and cleaning formula at the right ratio. That means less guesswork, easier setup, and more consistent cleaning performance. It's a smart feature for users who want a simpler experience. This cleaner is ideal for pet owners. It can help with pet accidents, muddy paw prints, odors, hair-related messes, and everyday stains on furniture or carpets. Because it's portable, you can quickly clean spills the moment they happen rather than waiting for a larger machine. It also works great for car detailing. Use it on fabric seats, floor mats, trunk liners, and other interior surfaces. Instead of paying for repeated professional detailing, you can clean your own vehicle anytime. If you want a feature-packed portable cleaner with steam power, hot water wash, self-cleaning maintenance, and strong suction, the Dream N20 Steam Carpet Cleaner is an excellent modern option. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, check the link below to buy now, and don't forget to subscribe to GadgetVerse for more smart product reviews every day.